Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a smart way to earn passive income. These stocks are like shares of a company that pay you money regularly. So how do you get started on this journey to financial freedom? The key is finding the right stocks, but how can you identify the best ones? Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular ways to generate passive income, investing in dividend-paying stocks. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started on your journey to financial success. So grab a notebook and pen, because we've got a lot to cover. What are dividend-paying stocks? Dividend-paying stocks are like getting a slice of a company's cake, and that slice comes with icing in the form of money. These stocks are like little ownership pieces in a company, and the company says, "Thanks for being our partner," by sharing some of its profits with you. This money sharing is called a dividend. It's a bit like receiving a gift from your investment. It's not just about numbers. It's about creating a path to earn money without putting in more work. And it can bring a sense of financial security and a warm feeling of being rewarded for your investment in the business. Why invest in dividend stocks? Why invest in dividend stocks? Well, it's a bit like having a money tree that grows stronger over time. When you invest in these stocks, you're not just hoping for the value of the stocks to grow. You're also getting a steady stream of cash in the form of dividends. It's kind of like receiving regular paychecks from your investments. This can create a sense of financial security and a feeling of accomplishment as you watch your money grow. It's not just about numbers. It's about building a reliable source of income and reaping the rewards of your wise investment choices. How to choose dividend-paying stocks? When you choose dividend-paying stocks, it's like selecting the most vibrant flowers for your financial garden. Each company represents a unique bloom that shares its profits with you, much like the sweet nectar of a flower. To make the right picks, you need to consider some key factors, such as the company's dividend history, financial health, and industry. It's like being a careful gardener who selects the most robust and colorful flowers to create a stunning bouquet. These choices can bring not only financial rewards, but also a sense of confidence and security, knowing that your investments are likely to keep bearing fruit over time. It's not just about numbers. It's about creating a fruitful and dependable source of income while building a sense of trust and reliability with your investments. As you continue your journey of hand-picking these financial blooms, you're shaping a garden of financial stability. It's similar to watching your flowers grow, with each bloom representing a company that contributes to your financial well-being. It's not just about financial growth. It's about the confidence and peace of mind that come from nurturing your investments wisely. With each well-chosen stock, you're building a garden that's not only beautiful, but also a source of long-term rewards and a reassuring sense of reliability in your financial future. Setting investment goals. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to have well-defined financial goals. These goals are like your destination on a journey, and they give your investment path a clear direction. Whether you're saving up for retirement, dreaming of owning a home, or planning to explore the world, having these goals will serve as your financial roadmap. It's not just about numbers. It's about your aspirations and dreams. The power of compounding. Compounding is like a growing snowball of wealth, and it's the secret sauce for building financial security. When you invest your money and earn returns, those returns start to earn returns themselves. It's a bit like a friendly cycle of growth. Over time, your initial investment grows and becomes more significant, a bit like a tiny plant growing into a tall tree. It's not just about numbers. It's about the feeling of watching your money work for you, slowly but steadily, and the confidence that your financial future is on the right path. Tax considerations. Understanding the tax side of dividend income is like knowing the rules of a game you're playing. It's important to be aware of how your dividend earnings may be taxed, because it can impact how much money you get to keep. Much like understanding the rules in a sport, knowing the tax details helps you make smarter financial moves. It's about making the most of your earnings while staying within the boundaries of the tax system. It's not just about numbers. It's about ensuring you maximize your profits and avoid any surprises at tax time, which can lead to a sense of financial confidence and control. When to buy and sell. Timing your stock purchases and deciding when to sell is like learning to dance. It takes practice and a good sense of rhythm. Sometimes you'll need to step in at the right moment to buy, and other times you'll gracefully exit the dance floor by selling. It's all about finding that balance. Just as in dancing, you might not get every step right, but with experience, you'll improve. It's not just about numbers. It's about gaining confidence in your ability to make well-timed financial moves. Sometimes you'll hear the music. It'll feel like the right time to make your move, and that can bring a sense of accomplishment and control to your investment journey. Risk management. In the world of investments, risk is a bit like the weather. You can't control it, but you can prepare for it. It's important to know how to handle and reduce that risk, much like carrying an umbrella when there's a chance of rain. Techniques like using stop-loss orders are akin to having a backup plan in case things don't go your way, and diversification is like having options to choose from. It's all about protecting your financial well-being. Just as you wear sunscreen on a sunny day, these risk management strategies shield your investments from unexpected storms. It's not just about numbers. It's about feeling more secure and prepared for whatever the financial forecast might bring, giving you a sense of control over your investments. Dividend reinvestment plans. Think of dividend reinvestment plans as your investment's secret recipe for growth. They're like planting seeds in your financial garden that automatically turn into more plants, which in this case are more investments. When your dividends get reinvested, it's similar to nurturing your garden and watching it flourish without you having to do much. It's not just about numbers. It's about making your money work harder for you. And as it multiplies, you feel a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Much like tending to a garden and watching it bloom, DRIPs can be a valuable tool in your wealth-building journey, helping your investments grow more robust over time. Staying informed. Staying informed about the stock market is a bit like keeping an eye on the weather forecast before planning a picnic. It's important to know what's happening, just as you'd want to avoid a sudden rainstorm. Being aware of the latest news and trends is like carrying an umbrella for your investments. It helps you make well-informed decisions and prepares you for any financial surprises that might come your way. It's not just about numbers. It's about feeling more in control of your investments and being ready for whatever the financial forecast might bring, which can give you a sense of confidence and peace of mind. Building a dividend stock watch list. Creating a dividend stock watch list is like making a shopping list before going to the store. It's about being organized and knowing what you want to buy. This list helps you keep an eye on stocks that you're interested in, just like you check your shopping list to find the items you need at the store. Having a watch list is all about being prepared and staying focused on your investment goals. It's not just about numbers. It's about feeling more in control of your investments and having a clear plan to follow, which can bring a sense of confidence and purpose to your investment journey. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth exploration of dividend investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, do your due diligence and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Your financial future is in your hands, and with the right knowledge and strategy, you can build a path to financial freedom through dividend-paying stocks. Until next time, happy investing.